Hi, this is the OUKITEL C33 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first launch the Gmail application. After that, tap on the right upper corner, and to log out from the Gmail app, we should log out first from Google account on our device. To do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account, confirm your option by click to remove account. And now, are you sure? Yes, tap to OK and confirm your option if you use some protect methods. Now we just successfully got from the Google account on our device, so let's go back to the application and we could see that we just successfully log out also from the Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.